So hey guys, what's up? This is me Pranay and you're watching Techno Master. So guys, today we have this brand new Realme 14X with us. So today in this video we are going to quickly unbox this and have a first look at it. So let's get started. So guys, this is not retail unit, it's a live demo unit. This device is yet not launched in India. I've got this live demo unit for you. So for that you have to press the subscribe button guys. And so here's the box. This is the small box for the booklet, and after that we have got the device, and apart from that we have power adapter and type C cable obviously. So let me just keep this thing side and we will look at the device for the first time. So here is the device guys. It is in yellowish gold kind of color and looking quite good, I would say. Finish is quite decent, and you can see the sides, and we have triple wear setup. So let me just power this device on. So you can see Realme logo. Again, I would say guys, look of the device is good, and it has got this cutting finish, and we have Realme logo. So now it is on. So let me just go to the camera first and show you the camera quality. So let me just take this box picture. It is looking good, but we will look at the camera in depth in the review video of this device, and it is working snappy, I would say. And in about phone we can see that this device is running on Android 14 out of the box. So that's nice thing. So guys, I will soon make a full review video of this device, and it is working snappy as you can see. So I will soon make a full review video of this device. So for that you have to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for that. So till then, thanks for watching.